Hi Pookie Wookies! If you're new here, my name is Hannah and I'm a 26-year-old Georgia Peach living in Washington State, and today I wanted to show y'all what I got from Jack in the Box. So from the South, they don't have Jack in the Boxes, but up here in the PNW and on the West Coast, they have Jack in the Boxes. I got the Munch Better meals, so I got a really big chicken sandwich, fries, and a drink. A little bit of ranch. Okay, now y'all can see it. I feel like they stole some of my fries because this isn't a lot. Here's the chicken sandwich. I'm hungry. We've been to Walmart riding around this stuff and I have not ate nothing, and it's already almost 3:30. So let's dig in. Cheers. I love their chicken sandwiches. Even their little ones with the fake chicken. I should be good. This shit is so good, chap. It's so good. Be careful, baby. Love you. But Jack in the Box does have some really, hold on y'all, it's an emergency. But Jack in the Box is so fucking good. They have like tacos and all kind of shit. But in the South we got Arby's. I think they're connected. I might be wrong though. But I'm finna finish my food, and I hope y'all are having a great day. Bye, Pookie Wookies.